Hey guys, here's one more video. We're here in Natick, Mass, doing a hardwood flooring, and this type of floor it's called Hickory floor. It's from America. Very hard wood. It's very nice. Now it's unfinished. We're just installing it now. Let me show you a little bit here. We are almost done with the kitchen area. And it's a very long plank. It's from 2 feet up to like 10 feet long, and it's 5-inch wide. We did a threshold across, and there's a heat vent. We got to cut around it, and we are almost done. Thanks. Don't forget to put a like on the thumbs up for me.